Hello my lovely people and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking, and today we are going to cook Spätzle. Spätzle is a kind of meal that people from Germany they eat it, especially this part of Schwäbisch people, and they eat with different sauce. You can eat with linsen, like they say linsen Spätzle. That is, I eat a lot of time with some part of sausage, and I would like to share with you guys. Like you can see, like we need to have a meal and eggs and a little bit of salt. And what can I say, like Spätzle is a like it's like spaghetti or pasta. It's like pasta or spaghetti. It's the same thing, but this one tastes a little bit different because it's fresh and you make it at home. Actually, now you can buy also in supermarkets, but I find out if you will make it at home, it tastes even better. And are we going to put in the screen for how many gram you need, how many eggs? Like for me, I put 300-gram flour, and then we put 4 eggs and a little bit of salt. Salt you don't need so much, just a little bit is good. Yep. And what I will say, like keep watching until the end. You will see all the process how it's going to be. Actually, after putting everything inside, are we going to mix it? Sorry guys, I'm here together with my baby, and my baby like to cook like me, and he just make a little bit if you're mama and you understand how it's fair. But it's so beautiful to make it together with my son, and I just like it and really enjoy it. So I will recommend to mix, and if you can mix with machine, but for me I will start to mix with my hand, then later I put it in the machine, then you will see the whole process. Just keep watching. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for being here until now. Sorry my lovely people, I didn't show you the oil process with machine, but now this is how it look like. It need to be like this, not so much hard and this. And now you are going to put in this thing that's we call Spätzle drucker. And drucker is like to place something, and if you would like to have one, you can look the link in down below or in my description. You will find it the link that you can buy something like this, and I hope they still have it, and you will get it very easy, because this you can use also for something different. Like there's people that have a lot of ideas, and if you have something like this, you can use it. And as you can see, you will put the tie in your Spätzle drucker, and you don't need to put very much full. As you can see, I will show you. And at the same time, you need to prepare hot water, and hot water need to be very, very hot. As you can see, if you put your tie, your mix inside, it will come good out. And now are we going to place the mix inside of hot water that my mix need to be cooked, and just do the same what I did, and it will come good. And for me, I forget to put salt in water before, so now are we going to add a little bit of salt, because I forget to put salt. So you need to put it before, but it's okay, you can put now, then you can mix a little bit. You need to mix a little bit, that it's not coming together as a mix. The tie, they don't need to come together, so you just need to mix a little bit and let it cook for something like 2-3 minutes, and about sometime it's a little bit different if your water is not so hot, so you just need to look until you see like the bubble coming out. I will show you the time that bubble come out. Then from there you can say like 1 minute, then it's already done. From now you can see a little bit that it kind up, and now is a time that it say I'm ready to go out. So from this time now I will mix a little bit and I will take it out because it's ready to eat. And when you finish, you need to let our water again to be cooked, like you can see. Then you will do the same process until your mix finish, then it's ready to eat. You can use the same water, and now our spätzle is ready to eat, and it's looking good, homemade, healthier. Yes, because it didn't stay for a long time in supermarket, so it tastes even different. And now are we going to eat this food with linsen. I like linsen because in Tanzania we have two, and with sausage together it tastes so good. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.